What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Origami. Today, we'll be folding an origami push button. This model requires 3 pieces of origami paper. There's 3 pieces to the model. 2 origami boxes, 1 large, 1 small, and an origami spring. When placed inside the large box and covered by the small box, we get our push button. All right, let's begin. Let's start off with our bigger box. With our origami paper, we're going to rotate and fold from corner to corner, like so. Unfold, rotate, and fold from corner to corner, like so. Unfold. Now we're going to fold each of the 4 corners into the center point, like so. Then we would rotate and repeat, rotate and repeat, rotate, and finally repeat. All right. For our next step, we're going to divide the model into a 3x3 grid. In order to do so, we're going to fold the bottom edge up about halfway to the point where, as you can see, there's 1/2 of the paper covered and 1/2 of the paper revealed. And that is about 1/3 of the way up. Then we make a fold and unfold. Then we're going to rotate the paper and fold this bottom edge to the line that we just made, like so. And unfold. Then we rotate and we fold this bottom edge to the line where these 2 points intersect. So, unfold, rotate, and now fold this bottom edge to this line. And unfold. Now we're going to flip the model over, rotate, and fold from corner to corner. Unfold, rotate, and repeat, folding from corner to corner. Unfold and flip the model over. Now, with the model positioned like this, you can open the right flap, open the left, and we're going to fold this bottom edge to the bottom of this triangle. Like so. And unfold, rotate, and repeat the process, folding the bottom edge to this triangle, just at the bottom. Unfold and rotate your model so that it's lengthwise. And you're gonna fold these two sides up, and on both edges here you're gonna pour one flap over the other like so, and flip this inside and pinch. Same thing here, we're gonna push one flap over the other like this and tuck this inside. And there we go. That's one large box. Now we need to make one smaller box. For the smaller box, I'm going to use this green piece of paper. For the smaller box, we're simply going to repeat the process as the first larger box, but we're going to make this initial size paper a little bit smaller, and that's going to allow it to fit inside. So in order to make it smaller, first step is we're just going to fold just a little bit up, about a thumb's width up from the bottom edge. Then we're going to rotate and repeat that, folding about the same width up from the bottom edge. Then we're going to rotate, repeat that step, and rotate and repeat that step. And that gives us a smaller piece of paper to work with. Now we're just going to repeat the process of making the box. We're going to rotate our model and fold from corner to corner. Unfold, rotate, and repeat, folding from corner to corner. Unfold. Now we're going to fold all four corners to the center point. Rotate, repeat, rotate, repeat, rotate, and repeat. Now from this, we're going to fold this bottom edge a little over the halfway line, just so that the folded area is equal to the unfolded area. As you can see, the length is equal. And then we unfold. Then we're going to rotate and fold this bottom edge to the line that we just made. Unfold, rotate, fold this bottom edge to where these 2 points intersect. Unfold, rotate, and fold this bottom edge to this line. Unfold. And now we're going to flip the model over, rotate the model, and we're going to fold from corner to corner. Unfold, rotate, and repeat, folding corner to corner. Unfold. And now with the model placed in this position, we're going to open the right, open the left, and we're going to fold this bottom edge to the bottom of this triangle. Like so. Unfold, rotate, and repeat, folding the bottom of this edge to the bottom of this triangle. Unfold, and we're going to rotate the model lengthwise. And while bringing this flap up, we're going to close one side and overlap the other like so, and then fold and tuck this flap down. Then we're going to rotate and repeat that process, folding one side and then the other side on top of it, and then folding that flap down. And now we have a large box and a smaller box. Our last step is to fold our origami spring. And this is a very simple process. All you're going to do is fold a little bit of the bottom edge, about a thumb's width up, and then simply just keep rolling the paper, keeping it as tight as possible, but keep rolling the paper all the way up so you get to the end and flatten. Then at the end of the paper, we're going to fold down a bit like this, fold down, and then we're going to alternate folding back and forth so it makes this little spring shape. So let's just keep alternating back and forth and back and forth. And then once you get the spring like this, you're gonna press it as hard as you can down onto a table or anything, just to make sure that the spring is nice and springy. You'll put it inside the big box, cover it with the small one, push it in, and there's your push button. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys were able to fold that. Please come back again. This is Origami.